Guys, 2025 Ram Hurricane Inline 6 Twin Turbo. Beautiful All Murder Out Nightshade Edition. Good looking truck. Let me show you guys what we've done. So it's got the converters up there. Then we cut it right there, right where it was into a single. I ran 2.5 all the way back into two sexy FLOWMASTER Outlaws to give it that deepness and throatiness. As you guys can see there, FLOWMASTER Outlaws. Then pipe goes out the back. We left the resonators on for now. He might come back and take them off. We'll see. And then the stock tips out the back. He just wanted to start a little bit, see how loud he likes it, and then maybe go up from there. But anyways, there it is. It looks really nice and clean. Here's the muffler that was on it. There's the wide pipe setup and the mid pipe that we cut off. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Guys, 2024 Ram 1500 5.7 liter HEMI. I love it. Beautiful, all murdered out HEMI truck. Let me show you guys what we done. So we cut that out, which is the center piece of it, where it duals into a single. We cut that out. There's the cats, there and there. Then we true dual it 3-inch all the way to the FLOWMASTER Outlaws, 2 of them. Part number 815430S. There'll be a link in the description for it, right there. No X-pipe, nothing. He wanted it as loud as possible. I don't blame him. Then we ran 2.5-inch tailpipes, mandrel bent on each side, out the back. And then he brought his own tips by B2 Fabrication. They're 5-inch outlet. Usually they bolt on to the factory setup, but we cut them so we can install them to the 2.5-inch pipe. All right, there it is. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe with FLOWMASTER Outlaw. Give me gas. You want it louder? Yeah, it's too much. More than this, I think it'll be raspy too much. Again. Here's sound decibels. Right at 95. All right. Go ahead and back it up. We're located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's our beautiful shop. You guys never seen it with the doors closed. There it is with the doors closed. Right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Let you guys hear on the inside. Here we go. 2024 Ram. Yeah, I like that stick. Gas guzzler. They are gas guzzlers. I have one. 12 miles to the gallon.
Yeah.
Go ahead. What do you think? You like it? Decibels on startup. 85. Give me gas. Rev it. Definitely open. That sounds so good. Here's sound decibels again. Go ahead. 114. And remember that this thing got stock cats and it's this loud. Imagine if he does high flow cats, it would become insane. One more. Wow, perfect. Go ahead and back it out. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's a beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Come and see us. They drove 3 hours, so can you. We had one that come from Maine this morning, so we get them from all over, guys. We really appreciate everything you guys do for us. I don't know if I say it enough, but I do appreciate it more than you guys know. That's perfect, man. I love it. Good looking truck. True dual FLOWMASTER Outlaws. Let you guys hear it on the inside. We got the Hurricane inline 6 twin turbo with FLOWMASTER Outlaws out the back with stock resonators for now, but I think he's gonna come back and take those off next. But I told him run with it for now. '24 Ram with FLOWMASTER Outlaws true dual setup. Got them hooked up. Here we go. All the way back, 3-inch mid, 2.5 tailpipes, 5-inch tips with FLOWMASTER Outlaw for your viewing pleasure. System. Sucker screams heavy, heavy beast mode. Enjoy, guys. FLOWMASTER Outlaw never disappoints. True duels.